go again with what's in Mark's refrigerator. Let's go. Tofu, cauliflower, spring water, mineral. I don't have soda. Vegetable juice, homemade pickles, leftover oatmeal, some kind of root vegetable, quinoa, whatever you want to call it. Some weird looking rice type grain. Homemade hummus, olives, chickpeas, good stuff like that. Soy milk, goat milk, yeah, hemp milk. That's a big popular one. Shiitake mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, cute little Japanese teapot. Put your tea in there. Choop. Coleslaw, no mayonnaise, nothing bad. Organic, red cabbage, and a little bit of fruit just because fruit's good for you. What's in your fridge?